Indoda Ikhali on the Midday Connection. The views and opinions expressed in this feature are those of the guest or the listener and do not reflect the views of Gagasi FM.
Gagasi, ngibingelele kuwe Sonic. And thank you for this most beautiful, auspicious opportunity to speak to the consciousnesses of men. Ifocus isendodeni. La nami ngakhali siyayikhalisa. Siyayikhalisa.
And kubalekile ukuthi sibe nama platforms okukhala ngoba
ayasiqinisa kwakhiwa indoda la. Watch us by the end of the year. So besina amadoda u50,000 esiwazuzile. That's our target. 50,000 men are gonna cry, heal, and come out alive.
I can't wait for that one. But today we are Didage and Abeveto. Men should marry their kind, not their type. We are Didage manje.
Ake ngiyichaze lento bafowethu. Type, it's a delusion that was created by women when they were ideally creating an imaginary guy that does not exist in their minds. Tall, handsome, good-looking, driving a Beamer, who has got money, who has no baby mamas. Such a guy never exists.
Type,
you know.
We can also associate to type necruvist, no too.
That's not a type. That's a trauma bonding.
Sure, you can marry your type, but doesn't understand and
you see, I guess a kind. What would be your kind?
Okay, your kind. Okay.
Choosing a life partner, basic with compatibility.
Okay.
By looking for shared goals, character, underlying character. Be careful of superficial preferences.
Okay.
Physical attraction. Goba ila itiluji type iqala khona. All women who follow guys who are good looking, who are thin slims, abafana ne bottle la Coca-Cola, where are they? They're divorced. So those men are now their body count. So are men too. So what I'm asking, madoda, ngiyacela. Brothers, prioritize core alignment over rigid, often limiting idealization. Ngoba uzolimala mu create umuntu ideal.
Ngabaleka kakhulu ichaza phela le qedwe ngisho.
Ngisho ngesizulu. Idealize umuntu. Umusu ufike eqathatha eduze kwakhe. Neyodwa into bu idealize ngayiqiniso. Kuyageja vena kugeje ngaso sonke isikhathi. So mhlawumbe amadoda ke siwalekelele kanje uthini ubaba umyeza umeluleki kwezengqondo mekhuluma ngekind. Uma ngikhuluma ngithi marry your kind ngithi mina check phela ukuthi ayikho any compatibility between the two of you. Purpose, vision, goals, beliefs and spiritual intelligence. Angipinde food. Purpose, vision, core values and spiritual intelligence. That's compatibility. But umuyaga type, good looking, handsome, six pack, well groomed, smell well. That's too superficial for Babumiyas. And in most cases, abai eti brain. Ubagunda ngqondo eto lapho. And a man this time, a man, as which ngathi ngathola nje isitufuzana esithi wasifushanisa nemlenze sabasiqhiqizele esingayifaki lenyole zabelumbi kodwa sithandayo sibe mpofu anglophobia. Uyabo bonke bobabili aba create izinto ezingelona iqiniso superficial. Kanti umuntu will come raw as a human. What is important in hlonipho, self-respect, discipline, self-lovingness, self-worth. Nangu Sonic. Well, Sonic ake ngibuze, if you're looking for a kind in a woman, what are you looking for?
Umuntu oyihloniphayo.
Wow. Qhubeka Sonic. Kade ngaselo kwathlela nami usu intelligent. Qhubeka Sonic.
Down to earth.
Yes.
Values.
What you are saying is that a shared value system creates no friction in interconnectedness. How to speak. Then let's look at the danger type.
Okay.
Yeah. Sonic, danger type is that you can overlook most critical red flags in a man or a woman because you are chasing what? A cloud.
Okay.
Khona abantu besilisa othi mumlalele uzuba ne depression. Athi mfethazi ubaba liyangane uyi-MC uma uyudokotela mfethu ku grand. That's a type. Is following type.
Okay.
What is the wealth and the riches of the parents have to do with them? Oqala uzo selecting ingane engazosho ukudlela umphethe. Engakwazi ngisho ukuyiclean ama toilet ngoba phela umuntu wenzelwa yonke into. Air conditioned bedroom, air conditioned dining room, air conditioned car. Nase boarding school la funda khona is air conditioned. Lo muntu entitlement ongakazi uziba ne arrogance of the highest order. We are not against abantu who have made it good in life. Please, let's not be misinterpreted.
Yeah.
Umbuzo ke ubusuthi ke west 4 kobhuti sakhe indoda la. Imaphi ama benefit of stepping out of your type, outside your type?
I want to hear this one.
We break ama toxic relationships. Sikhulume kakhulu last year.
Okay.
Ngama toxic relationship patterns. Yabona ke manje sikufale ngempela singavumi ukudata type. Let's love. In fact, no data. Sazoke sikhulume kabanzi nge-dating. I don't believe in dating. I-dating ik-expose kwi-body counting.
Because nenza yonke into enziwa ngale
iphele. No.
Kodwa nifika ngokuthi we still dating.
Yeah. Uyumuza umuntu wesifazane ozithandayo message yazi ngisafisa nje ngicophoze kuSonic.
Yeah.
Uthini ufuna ukutest uSonic but is not prepared for a relationship.
But khona ababelieve like-taste niqala before committing.
Makwenzeka ke ukuthi flavor ingahambi kahle bese wenze njani?
Sika ma razor.
Now that's what dating is all about.
Okay.
Yeah.
Iyiphutha indlela bamndabe.
Kuyiphutha elikhulu because it increases body count and that will have a negative impact into your spiritual growth.
But what if azwani? So do I stick around?
That is why umuhleli nomuntu phansi nixoxa ngobunina ni analyze ama nisebenzisa ama cognitives in order to look at the real life situation. Kuba lula ukuthi nifike la ubona khona ukuthi no, there is compatibility here. And uzobona ukuthi no, even noma sengiya enkonzweni, I'm expecting to find structure and fabric because lo muntu
ungayitholike
akuvamisile so nikangazikwenziwa yini
ningaziconnect.
Kubhlungu ke ngoba kushuthi use body count yakho
mileage imashile
and iyahamba mileage baba ihamba kube buhlungu futhi.
Hlelo ndaba emiyeza right changa ka CFM sikhuluma about men afanele bashade they kind and not their type.
Indoda ikhali on the Mayday Connection.
Why should men marry their kind and not their type? What are some of the benefits, Miyeza, of dating or not dating your type?
Of loving and marrying your kind.
Your kind.
Ukuzwa understand kufale uqale ngala ka type. Ngoba azosuka be new and unusual. You see, when you rigidly stick to dating your type, you are self-limiting. In fact, to be brutal, it's a self-limiting delusion, often driven by insecurity, a need for control, narcissism, or idealized rather than genuine compatibility. It's a big red flag. Whereas umuyaga kind, there's compassion, self-acceptance, self-awareness, social awareness, and selflessness.
Okay.
Now, who wouldn't like a woman who's selfless? We all love one. Ngoba a selfless woman is an epicure around which we view the real world. Interesting.
Yeah.
He is a reminder of your mom. My mom was as good as this.
And that's what we're looking for.
Insecurity and control. Inkinga bafowethu. Insecurity and control kubantu besilisa abaningi inkinga. I-delusionship kule young malehood ekhona is inkinga. Angimthandi umntwana odaka mina ngeke ngize ngavene ngajoli ukuthi ngitshele umuntu osifazana odaka.
But why is that wrong? Because the preference.
Our preference are based on what?
On what works for you.
On ignorance.
Or what's your type? What do you like?
No. You see, if the preference yakho kuyingane engatholakali kubo ino 17 Friday izobe Monday. Is that your preference?
No.
Yini ngani ngoba niyenfunela umantombazane ukuthi nosenifuna ukushada nifune lo owahlala ekhaya?
Engoba mhlawumbe labantu la indawo esibathola kuzona. Sibona ngathi soba change.
Yeah. Would you marry a woman omthole emangcwabeni? With funeral?
I tried dating a person I met at funeral. Akuphelanga kahle.
No, I'm dating umuntu emangcwabeni, and the relationship was very, very good. Very funereal relationship. Unfortunately, it ended.
It didn't last.
It didn't last. In equal, I've never had a relationship that has lasted whenever I went to a club. I club in number 3. And in those 3 occasions, I ended up with relationships.
On 3 occasions?
Yeah, on 3 occasions. Because the executive, kwaba isa 4.5 kwase kubise Joburg.
Yo.
That was the only time I went to a club.
Oh, was it a normal relationship? What?
I don't know whether it was alcohol, it was relationships. Abantu besifazane manje bakhala ukuthi they are dating for but you mustn't date for potential. Yet bona baya idealize. You are forming a delusional picture, and you are creating a delusional picture of a man that does not exist by ignoring our red flags, as long as his handsome is cute. Yes, but second, so to answer this question step by step. The very same red flag oyibona by dating your type uzoyibona physically mususeduze umntu ebadusho nje. Sonic, if you date your type, you're going to end up in fantasy bonding. You create a story in your head about your future together to fill the void of real reciprocal relationships. Yeah. Be careful of the type trap. The type trap, Bantu Beslisa, is the biggest trap that you can fall yourself into. Look for your kind. Wonke umuntu esilisa umuntu esifazana ongihloniphayo noyihloniphayo. Umuntu esifazana onothando nami ngizomthanda. Umuntu esifazana onesibindi. Sengingabekezela ngisho ngaba nengane eyodwa ngoba mina nginengane ezimbili. Yabo, that man is looking for a kind. Okwazi ukupheka, ongasabi ukuba umama with a good maternal instinct. That's a true man. Wesoniki, do you know that spiritually? Every woman has a prophetic gift spiritually. Spiritual? Yeah. Okay. Every woman is born with a prophetic gift. By a prophet? Yeah, they're prophetic. Okay. You can call it intuition. But buka la baba manje sebaluza those prophetic gifts. Ini utshwala, ukuhambe belala, inzondo, ukuhleba namaqhubu. Those top 5 they crash. Because you are actually godless. Maunjalo. So we are a shell of your true self. Awuna mahloni, awuna hlazo, awuna ndaba nomakhaya, awuna ndaba nabazali bakho abakuzalayo. Ukhuluma kabi nenhlambu uyathuka uyaphendula. Bayafolisha benjalo. Nako ke. Because every time when musu nengane, the smell of ubisi lika mama ingane yalwazi eduze kwakho. Ingane izwani kwena iphunga lotshwala, which is why ingane ino 7 months to reject. Ingane into edonsa ingane recorded in the brain of a child is the smell of ubisi kuma. So uma inuka estropes ingane ayizwa lonto ibisi yam reject yegogo ngcono, because with ugogo there is soft warmth cuddling. They've got a big bond. So what if David gets to a stage where now the mother starts fighting the bond yengane nogogo? It happens every day. Kuyakubhlungu Sonic ngoba labantu abasuke belwa abantu who have nothing to offer. Yeah, they have nothing to offer. Ngolusuku sosikhuluma nge-erotomania. Yini erotomania? So ngusechaza kulelo suku. Hey, Dabe, asiza ukuthi umlaleli uthini via WhatsApp.
Ngabe ngathanda babundabe. Yingakho ke ngingadate. Ngisalinde umuntu all-right because angifuna umuntu ozobona i-board alonto zanathathe nge-board. Umuntu onothando. Hayi ukuthi abone nomqondo abone ibhodi yami bese yajabula ejajulisa lokubona ukuma kwami ngimi kanjani. No, mina nje no.
Yeah, thank you.
And lezi insuku lezi zabantu who are attracted by looks attractwa ama-looks, ihwanqa, ama-hips, amagwegwe, ifika. Those days are gone. They've never been there, folks.
No.
The values and principles should attract each other. Chama ngama-principles nangama-values. Lo, mbuze vision ayikho, no vision, no relationship. Yeah, that's it. Abanye abantu kake they think they're in a relationship kanti they are in a sinking ship.
Yo.
My relationships are a very important part of a human life. Yiwo nje abantu abaningi balimele because of them. Kanti ukiyela kwakheni ngama-values nangama-principles, then we relate, we become one, then we commit to each other, we get married, then we build our family. Yeah, but we don't have sex for entertainment, but to expand the generations.
Powerful. Sonic, into engiyiphikise ngidodana. Bengiphikisa ndathi those days are gone. They're not gone. They are social media.
Yeah.
You say ukhulume kahle up towards the end. That is powerful.
Yeah.
Ngoba Sonic, into engilwa nayo la yinye i-trauma based attraction. Trauma-based attraction. Kufanele sibe attracted because vele there's something extraordinary about the person that you're attracted to. And maternal instinct in a paternal instinct yakho, young as you are, must draw you into that. What did you see in your mother? It must almost similar, not exactly, similar something that draws into that woman.
Loving the show. Wow. For now I used to look for all that, but now I'm looking for someone good who'll understand me. I've also changed my bad attitude and drinking. I've cut down. I'm going to church now. I call myself a woman of God. So if I could get my kind, yeah, it's fine. This is Laverne Hammond, LaShawn's mommy.
Wow, Laverne. Laverne, I think I like that. There's something I don't believe in. I don't believe in giving compliments.
Okay.
Compliments are fake and pseudo. A blessing is genuine and realistic. A blessing to Umar Laverne. Yeah. She has just harvested a blessing for herself by doing something about her character. So congratulations is going to sound very fake.
Okay.
Yeah, a blessing to you, sis.
Blessings upon blessings.
Yeah.
Asaka madoda kuphela uyabona
buka abantu besifane response yabo ngoba bayazi ukuthi lento isibacekele phansi kangakanani. Yeah. Awukho indoda yokugcina siyithathe nkosami ngaze kuphela isikhathi.
Hey. Uthi ngibo
just one last man.
Molweni basasazi bakakagasi FM. The topic le nikhuluma ngayo today, it's very powerful. I wish ba wonke umuntu ongumchita umamele and uyafunda, because I've learned a lot from it, you know. And whatever you guys are saying, it's inyani, you know. To find the type, I won't go with that. Yabo ngoske ufumane umuntu omthembileyo, umuntu ozokuhlonipha, ninika ni respect. Respect comes the both way, not only makube ngumuntu oyi-one ozokunika respect, but noba yi-two mele ninika ni respect, ni understandane, you know, in bad and in good times, just like emchatweni. Yabo because abantu abaninzi no maybe bazothi bakudethela kube lo bhuti enemali, lo bhuti enezinto zonke, but once yaphela lo mali, once ezo zinto zaphela, uyabaleka uyakomnye. Yabo kanti lo ubuzohlala naye ni respectane nithandane the way ningakhona, then that love is it's an eternal love. Yabo luthando lwangempela. Yabo that's the love from God. But I just want to say thanks guys about the topic, and it's very inspiring and iyafundisa. Thank you ndiyabulela.
Marry your kind, not your type.
Marry your kind,
not your type. Ngizoyiphinda futhi lento emadodeni.
Yeah.
Bobaba abasafuna ukugana, insizwe ezibona intombi hlala phansi, take your time, marry your kind, not your type. Ake ngiphinde bafowethu, marry your kind, not your type. Thank you so much.
Sikuthola kanjani Ntombi?
0766333954. Angiphinde sibonge kakhulu Sonic. 0766333945. We shall meet again, inshallah, God willing.
Gagasi FM.